Hello. I wanted to create better animations for the player character. Get active rotation. I don't, let me see. Break, break vector. I don't want the velocity when they jump. Um, so I can disconnect. I don't want the direction when they jump. Let's see. If I get direction, I make it 0 or 180. The anim graph. So I want to get rid of all this. So I just want to set that up there. Let's go over here and create state machine. I'm gonna call this player character state machine. Player character locomotion state machine. I want to cache the pose. I'll name it this. I'll get the cache pose. I'll set it in the output pose. Take a visualization. I'll add a state. I'll add idle. I'll add a state called shoot. I'm gonna add a state called run or sprint. I'm gonna add a state called jump. I'm gonna add a state called reload. Entry to idle. Idle to jump. Idle to reload. Idle to shoot. Idle to sprint. Sprint to shoot. Sprint to idle. Sprint to reload. Sprint to jump. Jump to idle. Jump to reload. Jump to sprint. Jump to shoot. Reload to jump. Reload to idle. Reload to sprint. Reload to shoot. I'm gonna go out to my anim graph. I want to get what I have for idle. Speed is greater than 901. That's true. So I want this for idle. For jump, I want jump from stand, iron sights, idle to jump is jumping, idle to reload, let's see, idle to reload is reloading. Oh, here's idle to reload. Idle to reload. This would be is reloading. Last one I did was this one is reload to idle. Should be not boolean. It's kind of filling all this out here. Idle to shoot. I would want, so I don't have a shooting notification coming from my character. Let's go into the character. Player character. Let's get shoot or fire weapon. When I fire the weapon, I want to set a boolean called is fire weapon. Something's dorky. Already that. Fire weapon. And then that's a false. I want to actually want this after if I have ammo or not. Go back to player character, MVP, go to the event graph, this player character reference is fire weapon. Right click in here. I was messing with this. I believe that worked though. Idle to shoot. Idle to shoot. I want is fire weapon. Idle to sprint. I want is sprinting. Sprint to shoot. I want is sprinting. I want get relevant and get relevant and time remaining. Fraction sprint. When the fraction has less than 0.25, when it's 75% over or more, sprint to shoot, and is shooting. Sprint to idle is not sprinting, not boolean. Sprint to reload is reloading. Sprint to jump. Sprint to jump would be is sprinting. Not we can just do is jumping. Jump to idle is jumping. Not. What about is falling? Yeah, there's that one. Not boolean. Jump to reload is reloading. I want get relevant and time fraction jump. Time remaining fraction jump. If I'm less than 0.1 from finishing. jump animation. .1 seconds, .1 remaining out of 1 maximum. Jump to sprint is sprinting, and 11 anim time remaining. Fraction jump less than .1 and boolean. Jump. Let's go back to this. Let's get all of this. Still doing jump stuff. Jump to shoot. Paste this in here. We get the relevant anim time remaining, so we can just use this one, I think. Now we can get is fire weapon. Reload to jump. It's not reloading. I don't want to do it based on the animation. I want to do it on the logic. So when I tell the game that I'm reloaded and my animation is done separately, that's I want to do it with the code, like when how I want to do it with the design, pretty much. Not just the animation, where it's further into design and just out the animation. So reload to shoot. Is fire weapon. And it's not reloading. Not boolean. And boolean. Reload to sprint. It's not reloading. Now let's go into the separate states. We have idle. We don't have shoot. Let's go back. Close all tabs to the right. Animgraph, event graph, here's the animgraph. We want what happens when we shoot the gun. I don't think we have anything for shooting. So we'll take this, switch on enum, go into shoot. Get the switch on enum so that it does these different animations based on which weapon we have set from the player character. Let's get fire, fire, rifle, iron sights. For this, we want this for default. And pistol. Pistol doesn't have fire. Yeah, so pistol doesn't have fire. We'll use idle pistol. Okay, that's shoot. Sprint. I want to get this. Fun poses. If you have a Windows computer, try pressing your Windows key and Windows key plus V for clipboard. This is sprint. So I want sprint forward rifle. But I have this blend space. Player character FPS blend. We can try to use this BS. Oh, this is kind of how they set theirs up. This is probably a little bit better. Oh, let's use this BS jog one. Let's use this for all of them. Reload. Blend posed by enum. Reload pistol. Reload rifle iron sights. Reload rifle hip. Will be what we use. Jump. Let's try this all now. This is better. Actually, we can use this now because we're just kind of running with. We can't shoot always sprint. This looks better. Sorry about the. I haven't done blend spaces since I started on Unreal Engine, and that was years ago. So this kind of works out a little better. So we used. And you have that blend space jog too. That's in our pack. Yeah, we've got that in there. Okay. That was setting up the animation. Let's see what else we can do. Press right trigger. I can't reload. We want to get reload. Restart. Can't reload. Crouching. Jump. I kind of jump like that. Get reload working. Reloading. Idle to reload. It's not reload. Reload to idle. And this is reloading. And I have. I get reloading. Do I set reloading? If I go to reload, is reloading. And I set is reloading to be false. Graph is reloading. Is in there. If I go to idle, idle to reload, sprint to reload is reloading. And I want to say, right, okay, is reloading, and then I want, yeah, I'll say is reloading. I'll do that. Let's go to reload. I want to blend each of these at the base of jog. So I want to get jog, yes, jog here. And we can give it direction and speed. I want to layer the bone. Let's go to the layer setup, index, branch filter, add one. At the index, I want to add spine 01 for the bone name and blend depth as 1. Let's see now. If I connect this back here, cut this out. If that works there. I'm just having a little trouble with reload. We're having a little trouble with reload. That says reload shotgun hip. So I want to go reload rifle iron sights. Let's try this basic animation. Try the one we know works. I want to go to this. I want to bind it to reloading. Reload pistol, bind it to reloading. Try this one, bind to reloading. I think it's intersecting with something else we're doing. Let's go to idle. Idle. These don't play. This one's playing. If I'm running, if I'm at 900, it doesn't work like that. I'm at 1500. Speed. Isn't affecting it. So is sprinting, gives me this. Is reloading, should give me that. Let's go over to player character where I have reloading. Is reloading, and then 1.5 seconds later I say is not reloading. If I go to reload, and I check this, 1.67 seconds. This doesn't have a do once on it, so I'm gonna add that to it. Do once. Add this here, do once. And Reset. That won't reload. Um, okay. It'll let me reload. Let's reload. That's good. So if we reload, and we're also sprinting. Alright, weapon. And that's back to being messed up. Let's make these looping, I guess. Let's see if that'll. It won't play it at all. Yeah. Idle. Reloading. Simulation works. See what I'm doing wrong with the player character. Let's see. When I'm reloading, I want to say when I shoot or fire weapon, I'm not reloading. I'm sprinting. I can reload. I'm firing. I'm reloading. I can't fire. Focus on. And is sprint to reload? We gotta sprint. Gotta get this stuff. Um, Reload. It's a fairly simple problem. I just don't seem to be getting the answer correct here. This is reloading. It's true. This is reload. I'll get rid of these animations and try new ones. Reload a rifle, iron sights. One pistol. Okay, let me just try rifle, animation, reload. It won't do that either, so same with the transition. Not sure about that already, but it's doing too many things at once. So it'll go to idle to shoot. It's firing weapon. I want to go to shoot. Shoot to idle. Uh, Shooting, fire weapon. I might have missed this one. It's not fully in. Let's try this now, because this might be it. Yeah, that was completely unexplained. It was driving me crazy. So this is sort of one of those things that can happen when you aren't careful. That's one, but I don't want to be that negative. Because I was careful, I just the game's done quick initiative. I'd say that the lesson here was just give yourself space to work. Here, this wasn't. I usually have my things like spaced out, and I'm just this shoot was too close and congested, and I didn't see that I didn't have this shoot rule that goes back to idle. And once I have shoot back to idle, I can go back to reload. Because I would shoot one bullet. If I loaded into the game and I didn't have to shoot, I would have pressed R once and reloaded. But I had max ammo, I had to shoot once and then reload. So I apologize about that. But this is a bit of work to have to redo, and it's our animation state. So we got that solidified in there. I apologize for the wait. Thanks a lot.